Hello, my friends. As we know, English has been the most popular language in the world,
Yes, sir.
and English grammar is very much required to speak and write correct English.
Yes, sir.
So, as a reference, we are taking one of the best books, Essential Grammar in Use, published by Cambridge University Press UK. This book is designed for children and elementary students of English to enable them to understand the basic grammar topics. Today I am going to start unit number 32 and teach you how to use should in our day-to-day life. For example, it's late. I think I should go home now. So, you should listen and watch this video carefully. Okay, well, let us get started now. Unit number 32. Should. Section A. You shouldn't watch TV so much. Should plus infinitive. Should do, should watch, etc. I should do, I should stop, I should go, I should watch. We should do, we should stop, we should go, we should watch. You should do, you should stop, you should go, you should watch. They should do, they should stop, they should go, they should watch. He shouldn't do, he shouldn't stop, he shouldn't go, he shouldn't watch. She shouldn't do, she shouldn't stop, she shouldn't go, she shouldn't watch. It shouldn't do, it shouldn't stop, it shouldn't go, it shouldn't watch. Section B. You should do something. It means it is a good thing to do, it is the right thing to do. Tom doesn't study enough. He should study harder. It's a good film. You should go and see it. When you play tennis, you should always watch the ball. Section C. You shouldn't do something. It means it is not a good thing to do. Shouldn't. It means should not. Tom shouldn't go to bed so late. You watch TV all the time. You shouldn't watch TV so much. Section D. We often say, I think, should. I think Lisa should buy some new clothes. It means I think it is a good idea. It's late. I think I should go home now. A. Shall I buy this coat? B. Yes, I think you should. I don't think should. I don't think you should work so hard. It means I don't think it is a good idea. I don't think we should go yet. It's too early. Do you think should? Do you think I should buy this hat? What time do you think we should go home? Section E. Must is stronger than should. It's a good film. You should go and see it. It's a fantastic film. You must go and see it. Section F. Another way to say should is ought to. It's a good film. You ought to go and see it. It means you should go and see it. I think Lisa ought to buy some new clothes. It means Lisa should buy some new clothes. Now it's time for exercises. 32.1. Complete the sentences. Use you should plus these verbs: eat, go, take, visit, watch, wear. Number 1. When you play tennis, you should watch the ball. Number 2. It's late and you are very tired. You should go to bed. Number 3. You should eat plenty of fruit and vegetables. Number 4. If you have time, you should visit the science museum. It's very interesting. Number 5. When you are driving, you should wear a seat belt. Number 6. It's too far to walk from here to the station. We should take a taxi. 32.2. Write about the people in the pictures. Use he or she, shouldn't, so. In positive sentences, we should use to, and in negative sentences, we should use so. Number 1. You watch TV too much. She shouldn't watch TV so much. Number 2. You eat too much. He shouldn't eat so much. Number 3. You work too hard. She shouldn't work so hard. Number 4. You drive too fast. He shouldn't drive so fast. 32.3. You are not sure what to do, so you ask a friend. Write questions with do you think I should? Number 1. You are in a shop. You are trying on a jacket. You ask your friend, do you think I should buy the jacket? Number 2. You can't drive. You ask your friend, do you think I should learn to drive? Number 3. You don't like your job. You ask your friend, do you think I should get another job? Number 4. You are going to have a party. You ask your friend, do you think I should invite Gary? 32.4. Write sentences with I think, should, and I don't think, should. Number 1. We have to get up early tomorrow. I think we should go home now. Number 2. That coat is too big for you. I don't think you should buy it. Number 3. You don't need your car. I think you should sell it. Number 4. Karen needs a rest. I think you should have a holiday. Number 5. Sarah and Dan are too young. I don't think they should get married. Number 6. You are not well this morning. I don't think you should go to work. Number 7. James isn't well today. I think you should go to the doctor. Number 8. The hotel is too expensive for us. I don't think you should stay there. 32.5. What do you think? Write sentences with should. Number 1. I think everybody should learn another language. Number 2. I think everybody should have enough food. Number 3. I think people should drive more carefully. Number 4. I don't think the police should carry guns. Number 5. I think I should take more exercise. Now, this is the end of unit number 32. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe, like, share and comment on this video. I appreciate it. Good luck and happy learning. I will see you in my next video, unit number 33. Till then, bye bye.